Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know that every week left until Christmas, I will be posting Christmas videos, and after that, I will be posting winter or regular videos. But anyways, today we're going to be making 2 DIYs with mini bottle brush trees. So let's get started! Just before we start, I just want to say that you can find most of the things that I'm using today in the Dollar Tree. So let's get started, for real this time. So I'm hot gluing down 3 mini bottle brush trees that I found in Dollar Tree onto the cap of the ornament. And I also found this at Dollar Tree. I found most of the stuff in Dollar Tree. And I'm using 3 mini bottle brush trees, but you can use as many as you like. I'm just using 3. And once you're done with that, just try to secure it on there by pressing it down a little more. And then once I was done with that, I put some fake snow that I found. They have it in Dollar Tree, but I had my own. But I should have got more because I didn't have a lot of it. So I also put some glitter that you can also find in Dollar Tree on there. And it just took me a little time just to take that out. But yeah, and then when I'm done with that, I just put a little more of the fake snow and I screwed it onto the ornaments. And then basically you're done with that because I tried making it into snow globe, but it just got all leaky. And I just advise that you don't do snow globe unless you get a jar, which I should have got and done another one to do snow globe, but it is what it is. So now I'm gonna put it on my tree, and I think it looks really pretty. So first I'm going to be hot gluing down this mini bottle brush tree inside this little jar. I got this little jar at Target last year. I don't know if they still have it. I don't think so. But once you put it in there, it's really hard to put it inside this little thing. But I put it sideways because that's all it could go. It didn't go in the middle, and you can't really take it out after you put the hot glue. So then I'm just gonna put some fake snow and some glitter, and some of my snow came out. I should have used a funnel. I advise that you use a funnel for this. So just I just kept putting some snow, and I took out some of the snow because I thought it was a little too much. But after that, I just hot glued down the bottle and shaked it up a little bit so the snow could come move around, not just be in one spot. So I hot glued down the cap so that it doesn't open, and then all the stuff comes out of it. So that's what I did. So after you're done with that, you're basically done. Shouldn't have used that much hot glue for that, but oh well. And now we're done. Looks so pretty. And the side, I did it in the side, so if you turn it back, it doesn't look too pretty. But this is how it looks, all decorated, and you put it in. It's really small. I circled it for you so you could see it. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.